Hello student, I Professor Kalyani Purkar. Welcome to my channel. Today we study about the macro and microprocessor. In this video, we study about the introduction, macro definition and call, nested macro call and processing of macro definition. Let's start from introduction. What is macro? Macro means is a group of statement or a small block of statement to do some specific task. Macroprocessor is a system software converts source program with macro into source program without macro. See the diagram here. Source program with macro is converted into source program without macro by using macro preprocessor, and then source program without macro is passed to assembler. Assembler convert assembly language program to object program, that is machine language program. Macro is similar to function, which is small program written to do some specific task. Macro eliminates the repetition of program code. Program becomes easy to understand and debug. Macro definition. See macro prototype statement. Here macro name and formal parameter list is the macro prototype statement. Then model statement. Model statement means assembly language statements and preprocessor statements. Preprocessor statement provides additional help to functions. See the macro definition. Here macro word indicates the macro is start. Then increment is the name of macro, and x and val, these are the two formal parameters for the increment macro. These two lines is called as a macro prototype statement. Third line is move areg x, add areg val, move m areg x. These are the assembly language statement, means model statement. This is the actual body of macro, and m end indicates the macro end. See macro call. A macro is called by specifying the name of macro with parameters. Here syntax for macro call is macro name and then actual list of parameters. See the example, increment an. Previous slide we studied the macro definition. Here increment is the name of macro and a and n are the actual parameters. Whereas in last slide we already studied the x and val are the formal parameter. Actual parameter and formal parameter are the one-to-one correspondence. Then nested macro calls. When a model statement is a macro call another macro, such a call is known as a nested macro. Means one macro call another macro is called as a nested macro calls. Here increment is the name of the macro and calculate is the another macro. In calculate macro we also call the increment macro, means here nested macro is called. Processing of macro definition. Here example is given. Macro means here macro is start, increment is the name of macro, a, b and reg is the parameters, formal parameters. Local count m variable, m set to 1, move here a content is moved to register, move register content is moved to b plus 1 parameter, move reg content moved to a plus m, and here macro end. For the above macro, make the entries in the following data structure. MNT means macro name table, second expansion variable name table, parameter name table and keyword parameter table. See one by one table. Here first is parameter name table. In this previous slide there are the three parameters a, b and reg. Then keyword parameter table. In this previous example only one keyword parameter is used. Keyword parameter name is reg and default value is breg. Default value is given by using a equal to sign. Next is macro name table. In the macro name table there are the 5 entries. Macro name, that is the increment, Number of positional parameter here, positional parameters are 2, that is A and B. KP, keyword parameter 1, that is REG. Expansion variable, that is M1, and keyword parameter table entry 1. Then expansion variable name table, here M is the expansion variable. I hope you understand macro and macro definition.